Okay guys, let's see where my ducks are. I am not using a phone case right now because I'm cleaning my phone off from the vlog. If you guys watched the vlog. Hanging out with ducks today at school. Strangely enough, it was a full-out zoo. Hi ducks. So I'm gonna let the chickens out and ducks out, or ducks already out, Oreo out. I might get my tarp I use for my greenhouse around here because it'll be a lot of rain next couple days, and I'm trying to dry this out the best I can. Oreo's getting a lot better, Bucko's a lot better, a couple more Epsom salts, so the week leading up to when they get the farm, when I go on vacation, I'm gonna do a lot of stuff. Okay, chickens, you guys are loud out again. You guys are not behaving. Ducks are getting in trouble. We got any eggs? I know we got one egg earlier. 2 eggs earlier. Anything else? Nope. No, don't. No, or Bucko, I don't want you mating. Poor Oreo. Oh, Oreo chips. You can see how the back of her neck is purple because I used a spray on her back of her neck. We'll get some rain here soon, so let's see what the chickens are gonna do. If they're gonna go inside, stick around. So I'm gonna put Oreo in a tub so she can get nice water, and ducks are in there. So I gotta get the egg to bring them up. I want to get a tarp to put down here, so you can see how it slants down. This wire is always water she's down that way. I gotta fix that somehow before we get the plants in. So you guys, I'll see you guys later tonight. Okay, it's bedtime for the ducks. We're gonna see how my tarp works for the garden. Ow. Let's take a tumble down the hill. That doesn't feel too good. So I got this, hopefully protecting the garden from the rain. But we'll see. Oh, I'm just having a little issues here. Okay. Let's see. So if we get a lot of rain, I'm trying to get the garden done before we go. Hopefully get a couple inches this couple days. Everyone's in here. Okay, chickens and ducks. Time for you going. Where are you going? Good job. Everyone's trained. There you go. Okay, everyone's looking at you. Got Oreo back there. All chickens up there. It's starting to rain now, guys. So, hope you guys enjoyed today's chicken duck update. And I will see you guys again tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching.